Hello, this is Aaron with ANETcomputers.com with another video for you today. Hola, este es Aaron con ANETcomputers.com. I filed this one under software problems. DCR-TRV280 camcorder, get your camcorder recognized again. You are trying to download a video from your Sony Handycam DCR-TRV280. You have a picture package that came with that camera installed, but you can't get it to recognize that camera. You would want to install your software first before hooking up your camera to your computer. Basically, you install your software that came on CD-ROM and possibly DirectX if it asks to install that too. You would then reboot your computer after software installation completes and is successful. Once your computer reboots into Windows, then you would hook up your camcorder to your computer via its USB cable. Then try to run Image Mixer and see if it will detect your camcorder. You may need to remove your camcorder software and then reinstall it before hooking up your camera properly to get it to work. You can view a DCR-TRV280 manual on Sony's support website if you don't have one that has installation instructions with pictures. You can skip to page 274 of that manual for instructions. Click on quote camera operations guide unquote link to view a PDF manual. Try removing Image Mixer from your computer, reinstalling it, then hooking up your camcorder. It might be necessary to start from scratch. If Image Mixer prompted you to install Flash Player, test to make sure it installed correctly. Make sure you are logged into your Windows 2000 computer with administrator rights or your administrator account. Also, you can try moving your camcorder to a different USB port on your computer with Image Mixer software installed. Even if you don't start from scratch by reinstalling your software, Windows should detect your camcorder again and should see it as a different device on a different port, which may fix your issue. This blog post was written specifically for Windows 2000 but can be used for other versions of Windows, Windows Vista, XP, etc. And then I will leave a link to this blog post on my website, ANETcomputers.com, so that you can read this on your own time and access this web link. So we'll check it out real quick. So you'll get taken to this first page, which is the manuals, specs, and warranty. And here's that guide right here, camera operations guide. So you just download it from this link like normal. If you need software, there's a drivers and software tab, and then you select an operating system to see files. This camera has software for Mac OS X, Windows 8, Windows 8 64-bit, Windows 7, Windows 7 64-bit, Windows Vista 64-bit, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Millennium Edition, and finally Windows 98 and Windows 98 Second Edition. So you would just choose an operating system. We'll just choose Windows 7, and then it will have under Windows drivers and compatibility, it will have the main software, or whoops, my bad. It has the image and video software. So then you just download. Hopefully this information was productive and helps you get your camcorder recognized on your Windows-based computer or Mac, also Mac. You can always browse to ANETcomputers.com for other possible potential tips, information, and tricks to help you solve your most common computer problems. Adios. Thank you for listening.